Hello everyone, we are group 4. Today we are going to talk about life without AI. We would like to share our ideas with you. We hope you enjoy our video. There are 5 members in our teams. They are 𝗙𝗵𝗲𝗵𝗵𝗺, 𝗙𝗵𝗲𝗵𝗵𝗺𝗧𝗏, 𝗙𝗵𝗲𝗵𝗵𝗺𝗃, 𝗙𝗵𝗲𝗵𝗵𝗺𝗃, 𝗙𝗵𝗲𝗵𝗵𝗺𝗃. Before we begin, let us explain what AI is. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Technologies that has computers and machine things, learn and solve problems like humans. Today, AI is used in many areas of our lives such as education, communication, transportation, and entertainment. Now, let's imagine a world without AI. In this video, we will talk about how life would be different without AI and the challenges people might face. First, let's look at this graph. It compares life with AI and life without AI. The graph shows that AI helps people save time and work more efficiently. Now, let's see how life would be different without AI. In this graph, the black bar represents life with AI and the pink bar represents life without AI. The number on the side shows the amount of time needed to complete each task. The 3 topics below help us understand the difference between life with AI and life without AI. For example, in daily life, if we want to call someone, we can use Google Maps to find the location quickly. Without AI, we may need to look at a paper map, which takes more time. If life without AI takes 5 minutes, life with AI may take only 3 minutes. The second topic is education. When we do not know something, such as new knowledge, or the meaning of a word, we can ask AI to like ChatGPT or Gemini. Without AI, we may need to spend more time reading many books in a library to find the answer. The third topic is the workplace. Without AI, people have to do many tasks by themselves, which take more time and effort. With AI, many tasks can be completed faster and it can help save about half of the time. As we can see from the graph, life without AI takes more time and effort. However, it is not always a bad thing. Life without AI also has some advantages. Now, let's look at how life without AI can affect these 5 areas in a positive way. They are entertainment, education, agriculture, food and drink, lifestyle.
Life without AI and entertainment. Today, I will present life without AI and entertainment. In this presentation, I will focus on 3 main categories: movies and animation, music and video games. Movies and animation. Without AI, movies and animation are created entirely by human writer, actor, director, and animators. Every story, character, and visual effect came from human imagination and artistic skill. This allows creators to develop unique styles and express their ideas in original ways. Audience can also appreciate the hard work and creative behind every production. Fun fact: before AI existed, earlier Disney movies such as Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs 1937 were created by drawing every frame by hand. Music. Without AI, music is written, composed, and performed by musicians. Sounds are inspired by real human experiences, emotions, and creativity. Because of this, music often feels more passionate and meaningful to listeners. Musicians also have the opportunity to develop their talents and create their own unique sound. Music can influence emotions even when people do not understand the lyrics. Video games. Without AI, video games are designed and developed by a team of artists, programmers, writers, and designers. Creating a game requires creativity, teamwork, and problem-solving skills. This process provides more opportunity for people to work and create a career and contribute their ideas. Many classic games became successful because of their imagination and dedication of their developers. Fun fact: one of the earliest video games, 𝗙𝗂𝗿, was developed without AI and became popular despite its simple design of two pedals and a moving ball. Overall, life without AI in entertainment has many positive aspects. It encourages human creativity, supports artistic skills, and provides more opportunity for creative jobs. Movies, music, and video games are created through human imagination, effort, and passion. Although AI can make production faster, the heart of entertainment remains human creativity and expression.
To understand why we need a shift, let's look at the current reality of education without AI. The traditional model is hitting its limit and is creating major friction for both students and teachers. First, it's a one-size-fits-all system. The class moves at one speed, meaning the slower student gets left behind while others get pulled. Next, teachers are facing massive burnout from manual grading. Because they are buried in paperwork, students have to wait days or weeks for feedback. This creates hidden learning gap that we only notice after a student fails an exam. Plus, learning is strictly locked behind school hours and physical textbooks. AI steps in not to replace the human element of teaching but to supercharge it. By introducing intelligent personalization, automated grading, and 24/7 learning assistance, we can transform education from a rigid, exhausting system to a dynamic environment where no student is left behind and no teacher is burnt out. Now, let's look at agriculture without AI. Just like the traditional classroom, standard forming rely on a one-size-fits-all model that creates massive inefficiency. First, management is locked into rigid scheduling based on calendar date rather than real-time swine needs. One issue to rise, delayed diagnostics mean waiting weeks for lab results, forcing farmers into exhausting manual scouting that leads to burnout. Because of this lack of data, we see hidden crop scrap where parts of deficiency are only caught after the harvest is rained. Finally is for restrict resource use, where water and fertilizer are applied blindly across the whole field, causing massive waste.
Food and water. Food and water are important for everyday life. Without AI, people learn recipes, cooking measurements, and water safety from teachers, textbooks, and chalkboards. People use book and classroom lessons to learn about food and water. They do not use AI apps or smart screen to get information. Many traditional recipes were passed down from parents and grandparents without using technology. Without AI and smart kitchen appliances, people must prepare food and water by hand. This takes more time and effort. However, family members can work together and spend more time together.
I will talk about the last topic, which lifestyle. In this topic, I will explain 5 small points. Number 1, more time with family. Number 2, outdoor games. Number 3, face-to-face communication. Number 4, less screen time. Number 5, simple lifestyle. Life without AI is very quiet in people's. In this life, people can spend more time with family. They can talk together, cook together, and eat dinner together every day. This makes their family very happy. People do not stay inside the house all day. They like to go outside and play outdoor games. Children can run, play football, and ride bicycle with their friends. It is very good for their health. In a world without AI, there are no chats, apps, or robots, so people use face-to-face communication. They meet their friends at a coffee shop or in the park. They poke at each other and talk with a big smile. Do not look at their phone or computer for a long time. They have learned screen time because of this. Their eyes do not hurt and they can sleep very well at night. They have more free time to do other things. Finally, a life without AI is a simple lifestyle. People do not worry about new technology and updates. They live a slow and happy life every day. This is a very natural way to live.
In conclusion, life without AI is simple and natural way for living. It may take more time and effort, but it can also bring peace and happiness to people's lives.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.